I'm Ian in London and welcome to my channel on how to fly your drone and take better video and pictures with it. I've been flying drones for a good few years now, starting off with my DJI Phantom 3 standard and collecting more over the years, including the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air, Parrot Mambo FPV and the Zerotech Dobby. I've learnt a lot, sometimes the hard way, but I use this experience to put together videos and tutorials to explain how simple changes to camera and gimbal settings can get you super smooth video and shots from amazing perspectives. I outline the functions and intelligent flight modes that you can use to help fly in different conditions and weather. So have a look through the videos and the playlists on my channel. If you like them or have any more ideas, click the thumbs up or drop me a comment and send me an idea for a new video. So click the subscribe button and the little notification button if you want to get notified every time I put out a new video. It's only once every other week or so. You can also check out my ianinlondon.com website where you'll find a whole host of useful stuff and you can get in touch with me about pretty much anything. So that's about it. Hope you enjoy what you see. Nice to say hello to you, and until next time, have fun and happy flying.